Alright, so today we'll be doing a cold start on this 1987 Ford F250. It snows really deep. As you can see, it's covered. Alright, right now it's about 28 degrees. Kinda cold. Alright. So let's fire this thing up. Just take it out of gear. Now it's got an electronic fuel pump, so we're just going to turn it on and leave it for a couple seconds to fill up the carburetor bowls. Alright, give it 3 pumps. And of course, with these old Fords, you gotta use a switch. No problem. This thing fires up like a champ every time. Yeah, it's got a 460 big block in it. Fires right up. Let it warm up for a little bit. Something I want to show you guys. I left a bottle of water in there. It's ice now. It's a bottle of ice. Just thought I'd show you. Alright, we've got the fast idle stick engaged there. It's beautiful. Yeah. Holding right at 1500 RPM. And this is what you gotta do with old carbureted vehicles. Sweet. I think I'll do an exhaust shot as well. Okay. Alright, if you guys want to see more of my junk, be sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll record some more of my junk. So thanks for watching, and use your fast idle sticks. They're awesome.